Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Want to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails in just seconds, even if you're not a designer? In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful AI tools that make stunning thumbnails fast and free. Let's go! Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. First up is Canva's Magic Design. Just go to canva.com, click Magic Design, and type what your thumbnail is about, like YouTube thumbnail for tech video. Canva instantly gives you multiple ready-made templates using AI. You can customize text, change images, and download it in one click. Super beginner-friendly and free. Now let's see an example. Open any browser and type canva.com and click on Enter button. Now log in with your Gmail account. Now click on the Dream Lab, which you can find at the left side of the page. Simply click on it. Now click on the message box and type what you want. For this video, I'm typing Create a YouTube thumbnail for tech video and click on Enter button. After some time, you can find thumbnails are been created. You can edit them if you want, or simply download that and use them. Next is Adobe Firefly, a free AI tool that turns your text into thumbnail-style images. Just type something like colorful background with glowing text, and Firefly creates a high-quality image. You can download it and use it as a background for your thumbnail in Canva or any editor. Now, let's see an example. Open any browser and type firefly.adobe.com and click on Enter button. Now log in with your Gmail account. Now type what you want in the message box and click on the Generate button. You can see images are created. Simply download them and use them. Third one, Bing Image Creator. This one is totally free and gives amazing results. It uses DALL-E 3 to generate images from text. Just type your thumbnail idea, like YouTube thumbnail with bold text and tech background, and it creates custom visuals instantly. Use the image as your thumbnail, or edit it further in Canva. Now let's see an example. Open any browser and type bing.com/images/create and click on Enter button. Now log in with your Gmail account. Now click on the message box and type what you want to create and click on Generate button. You can see images are generated. Simply download them and start using them. And that's it. Now you know how to create a good-looking thumbnail without being a professional editor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.